Alright.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna see if I connected everything correctly.
If it fails, I'm gonna blame at you.
Well, there's two ways we can test it with the meter, or two we can do the shock test. Should we try it?
안 해! 64.7, no, 64.8 볼트. Salam TV crew, good morning. We are back to start the show. Today we made a list of things to do. First, I want to show you the window work, window installations, how it goes. Look at this. I did the sill with the Silka Flex. Looks good. I don't see any holes around it. And I saw it outside is really, really good too. And here too. 그 누수 체크를 해볼 건데 아시다시피 모로코는 가뭄입니다. 비가 올 때까지 기다릴 수 없으니까 저희가 콜라 병에다가 물을 담았어요, 집에서.
Here we go.
샌다!
Oh, is it?
물 얼굴에 튀었는데? 여기 샌다.
Oh, through the holes.
잡고 있어봐. 내가 해볼게.
Through the
봐라.
screw holes, yeah. Yeah, stop.
근데 일단 문 열어볼게. 그럼 물이 이제 들어와 여기서.
Just create a gutter that goes right across, and it will divert the water. Okay, should we test the other side?
그러면 두 번째 테스트를 해보겠습니다, 여러분. Alright, I'm gonna close the window. 여기도 새네. Oh my god, it's not in there.
Okay, let's go ahead and check the roof now. How's it leaking?
I don't see any water.
Okay, at least that part's good.
잠시만, 왜 슬라이딩도. 루프 팬은 네가 아는데 슬라이딩도 완전 waterfall. Okay, guys. We did a water test, water leaking test. It's kind of working. Some part is not working. Like before, it has the kind of wood frame going along here to screw it down. What he says, the Sikaflex just need to be set. After that, they're gonna today or tomorrow, I don't know, this week they're gonna put the wood, this one, so it will compress like a Sikaflex, so it will seal better. They said after he's done, and we are gonna do one more test or several tests possible for the water is leaking or not. That's the plan. And then the thing is, if window is leaking, you can see our high roof is a cup holder. Water will be trapped, and then it will not be good for our high top in a long term. Mark is at work on the cabinet in the front. He's gonna use the carbon box later. Carbon box? Cardboard box, yeah. To make the template, and I'm gonna get rid of this VHB tape. I keep, delaying that one. Let's do it later. It's just tape. Let's do it. TV crew, good morning. We are not side shop. Today we start from on the street in Morocco. Today we are really gonna build our furniture. But first, we don't have that much tool since we are not in Korea, so we don't have those tools. So we have to buy in Morocco. First shop is a Sika, so we went there. Anyway, some of stuff we couldn't find it, but important thing is we bought the ruler, and then this 90-degree angle ruler too. And we need to buy some other stuff for the wood. Wood glue or planner, they didn't have it, so Mark is on the street, but I cannot find him anymore, but he went down there to find it, so I'm gonna walk down there and then find Mark. And I don't have a data. If I lost him, I don't know. I hope I know how to get back home. Luckily I found Mark. He found the wood planner, but he said that they don't have a small one, but I'm gonna check it out with him. Okay, let me get it. So,
They've got this big one, but they're gonna check for a small one.
어때?
Better.
사이즈가?
How much for this one?
l'alluminio sei venuto?
This is broken.
여기 담아. Bagus lah mas, keren. 대패를 샀습니다. 대패 삼겹살. Guys, we are back to side shop. We bought some of tools, but we couldn't find all the tools what we need right now. We are gonna check it other places later. Mark went to the wood shop with Eamon. There is the wood. Mark bought it yesterday. This is the another wood. When he went to the shop and asked them to cut it for 9 centimeter, they did it with a big saw. So it took a few minutes. If we did it ourselves, I'm sure that it would take so long time make a straight, but that wood shop did it for us. So that's good. And then free of charge, they did it for free. Mark is preparing the workbench. So this is the preparation area Mark is gonna work on, but there's another work is going on. Mark is over there right now and they are talking about the sliding door because we have a problem with the sliding door. It doesn't close. Yesterday when we did a leak test, just water dripping like a waterfall. So Mark is checking what is going on, but let me see how it goes. No, it's not, Tanya. I don't know why it's not closing, so they're trying to figure it out. I saw it like inside of the door and there's like this much gap. They're talking and figuring out right now. But let's see what Mark is doing. What are you doing?
I'm gonna do a little test here.
What kind of test?
We might have to mount some wood onto our fiberglass. Okay, who's on there? Brace pad together. This guy right there.
근데 이거 설명 안 했잖아?
I bought some CA glue instead of regular wood glue, just so that we can set things a lot faster. I got some activator. This is kind of like basically like super glue. We use super glue a lot.
Yeah, we do. Super glue is like a magic wand.
I think it will hold quite well. Yeah. Yeah.
Figured it out?
Now it's not closing. Yeah, see now.
Oh, yeah.
어떻게 한 거야? How?
See?
So you guys push that out.
That's why I want to tell you. But test. جربوا بديرة. Test it now.
Okay.
You see?
Yeah.
그거 어떻게 된 건데?
See?
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum.
So would you tell me
Yeah.
what was going on about the sliding door?
We had the roof here, and obviously the roof is helping hold the structural integrity of the van. So we did everything we could to help preserve that structure by putting in these L-beams. But no matter what, it's going to change slightly.
Yeah.
The roof is holding everything together, right? So when we took off the roof, basically the sides sprung out slightly.
Kind of like, stretching the door
Yeah,
back. Like
right.
TV, like, oh yeah, let me stretch it.
Yeah, it's
something.
not much. It's like literally maybe 1 millimeter, right? Maybe 2 millimeters. There's no way you can see it. You probably couldn't even measure it, right?
Yeah.
And so when the top goes out, it kind of straightens everything out like this, right?
but-
Basically, this part here came in about 1 millimeter, and that 1 millimeter difference is making it difficult to close
Yeah.
this door. If I push it like this much strength, did you see it move out?
Yeah.
That difference is what's stopping the door from closing.
Yeah.
So
Got it.
he's going to get some kind of pressure hydraulic device to push
push
that
in.
out about 1 millimeter,
Yeah.
maybe 2 millimeters,
Yeah.
and that should fix our problem.
We
hope.
did the high roof for stretch our back. It doesn't mean that we can stretch her back.
But if this is the worst problem we get,
Yeah.
then that's
good.
pretty good. You know, it's nice that say he was able to figure it out. 'Cause-
Yeah.
'cause we've been racking our
It
brains
was like
for
a
week.
mystery. Yeah, mystery for us.
Anyways, let's hope that fixes it.
All right.
Time for us to get back to work.
Mark is getting ready for cutting the wood, and you guys can see our succulars. So we brought from Europe actually.
Yeah, but
So-
we ordered it from China.
Yeah, we ordered from China. So when we built Tubi 1.0, we used the charger, but now we are using the cord. Hopefully, no one get hurt.
So too. I guess I should tighten this guy too. This is the angle thing, I think. Okay, let's do this. Safety glasses. Oh my god. It glides through it like butter.
Can I try? Oh my god. Alright, ours is not that great.
You gotta be careful until the blade guard's down.
Okay guys, I think we're done for today. Oh my god, I don't know. I think I lost the we both lost the feeling of using the tools. Before you guys leave, please click like button, and I want to say thank you for viewers who are watching our videos, and I want to give this special thanks to our Patreon members and PayPal, also Tubi Crew membership on YouTube channel. So okay, we are gonna wrestle with this one and dance with it, and then hopefully we can show you the resort later. Okay, we gotta go. Bye bye. Bye. I don't need to close this way anymore, but I keep forgetting. Bye.